Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine, healthy and safe at home. Welcome to video lectures, class 4, subject English, lecture number 9. I am your teacher Nabila from JVNL Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Let's look at the contents. Introduction, explanation, reading comprehension. Dear students, we are going to do comprehension practice today. You will read a paragraph, then develop its understanding, and at the end you will answer the questions. Means आप पैराग्राफ को पढ़ेंगे, उसे समझेंगे और फिर क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करेंगे. Few important points, dear students, before reading the paragraph that are going to help you to comprehend the passage. What is reading comprehension? Reading comprehension means reading a text, a story, a paragraph and developing its understanding. Paragraph को पढ़ना और उसे समझना. To understand the passage, it is important to read it at least 2 times. Means उसे 2 दफा जरूर पढ़ें. After reading the paragraph, underline the words that are new for you. Guess the meanings. If you are sitting in an exam and the paragraph is unseen for you, try to guess the meanings from the context. If you are practicing in the class or at home, use dictionary. That is very important. After reading the paragraph and comprehending it, come to the questions. Read them carefully. Try to understand them, means what is being asked in them. उनमें क्या पूछा जा रहा है आपसे. Now we will read a paragraph together and attempt question answers. Let's read the paragraph. It is very interesting. The Thompson family has been trying to eat healthy meals for a very long time, but found it difficult to keep it up. Mr. and Mrs. Thompson work long hours at the hospital and feel exhausted when they arrive home. They also have 3 young children who needed a lot of care. David is 8 years old, their daughter Anne is 6, and the baby is 1. It is difficult for the family to cook healthy meals every day. For months, Mrs. Thompson has been ordering food during the week which is delivered when they arrive from the work. This is a bad routine and the Thompsons know this fact very well and have started to worry that their children will get so used to eating fast food. It will be difficult for them to change this habit. For the past 2 weeks, they have been eating healthy homemade meals and feel very excited about it. Dear students, now you have read the paragraph. Let's take out the difficult words and I will explain their meanings. Number 1, healthy meals means balanced diet. Balanced diet that includes everything like rice, bread, vegetables, meat, etc. Long hours means longer period of time. Exhausted means tired, थके हुए होना. Delivered means bring and hand over. Routine means daily practice. एक काम जो आप हर रोज कर रहे हैं. Excited means pleased, खुश होना. Take out few important points or a summary of the paragraph. The paragraph is about Thompson family. Yes, they work at the hospital. They have 3 children. When they arrive home after work, they feel exhausted. वो थके हुए होते थे काम के बाद. They have no time for cooking. Their bad habit, ordering food from the restaurant. They were worried that their children will get used to eating fast food. They wanted to change their habit of eating fast food. वो समझते थे कि daily fast food खाना is a bad habit, so they wanted to change it. They started eating homemade meals. That was a good thing that they realized their bad habit and they started eating homemade meals. Students, now you have read the paragraph. You have also learned the meanings of difficult words and also have gone through the summary of paragraph. The next important thing is how to understand questions. Question number 1. Where do Mr. and Mrs. Thompson work? Where means place or position is asked. Question number 2. Why is it difficult for the family to cook healthy meals every day? Why? Reason is asked here. You have to give reason in this question. Question number 3. How many children do they have? How many? Quantity is asked. Question number 4. Who orders food every day? Who means which person or people? Question number 5. Are they worried about their bad eating habit? Questions that start with is or are, usually we answer them with yes or no. Yes, they are worried. No, they are not worried. Again, look at the questions. Where means kahan. Why means kyun. How many means kitne. Who means kaun. Let's answer the questions. Question number 1. Where do Mr. and Mrs. Thompson work? They work at the hospital. Question number 2. Why is it difficult for the family to cook healthy meals every day? It is difficult for the family to cook healthy meals because they work long hours at the hospital and feel exhausted. Because you have given reason in this question. Question number 3. How many children do they have? They have 3 children. Question number 4. Who orders food every day? कौन food order करता है? Mrs. Thompson orders food every day. Question number 5. Are they worried about their bad eating habit? Yes, they are worried about their bad eating habit and want to change it. This is your home task, dear students. Read the passage and answer the questions given below. Take the help of dictionary for the difficult words. Do it on your notebooks. I hope today's lecture has helped you how to comprehend the paragraph. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.